the last thing that we are doing to remove the transmission. So in this kind of motorcycle, we have rotary brake. Ayun na, ayun na. Ayun, nalapad. Is the timing with the balancer, because we have here the design of the balancer engine. So if you notice this one, there is a timing mark point right here. And also we have this transmission. So that is it. So after it has been assembled, so I will show you how to install this one. Okay, good.